Hello everyone and welcome back to the Odoo Functional Tutorials by TechUltra Solutions. In this video, we'll explore how to configure and use Putaway Rules in Odoo's inventory module to automate the product storage based on categories or specific items. Now talking about the Putaway rules in Odoo determine where products should be stored in the warehouse after they are received. Rather than placing all products in a default storage location, Putaway rules automate and optimize the storage process based on product type, category, or other criteria. Now, first we have to make sure the right settings are enabled to use the Putaway rules. For that, go to Inventory module in your database and you're in the Configuration settings. Make sure down in the Warehouse section the storage locations and the multi-step routes are enabled. Once done, quickly save it. Now let's create proper sublocations in your warehouse. For that, go to Inventory Configuration and here we have the options to configure the location. So click on that and here click on New to create locations under our warehouse. So I'm just naming my location as drinks and my parent location would be my HB/stock here. Set the location type to internal location and save it. Similarly, I'm creating one more location named as cold storage here and the parent location would be HB/stock and the location type would be internal location. So in this way here you can see I have created two sublocations. Now it's time to configure a putaway rule to define where products should go when received. For that, go to Inventory Configuration and here we have the option to configure the putaway rules, so click on that. Here click on New to create a new one. You have to define or fill in the details in different fields such as product category, where we have to add the product category. So I'm adding all beverages here. Here is when product arrives in. So whenever the product arrives in HB/stock, I want that product to be moved to HB/stock/drinks. Here you can define the company and you can save this put away rule. Similarly, I am again creating the put away rule for my category all frozen here and so similarly, I want the products which fall under this category. Whenever the product arrives in HB/stock, I want them to move it to cold storage and we'll just save it. I have created these two put away rules. Now let's move to the products menu and see the two products which we have in these two categories. So checking for the cold drinks. Cold drinks is under all beverages here and checking my next product frozen peas, so I will just add this to all frozen as in category. Adding the product to the specific category and creating the put away rule over that product category means that any product in this product category will automatically be placed in the specified location when received into HB/stock. Now let's test the rule with a sample purchase. For that, we'll just move to our purchase module and we are going to create a purchase order. So create a new purchase order for a product that belongs to the configured category. So let me add my vendor here. So I'm adding Decoedict as my vendor and here I'm adding the two products which we have just configured. The cold drinks quantity I'm adding 50 here. Unit price would be my 55 and here I'm adding the another product which was frozen peas and the quantity would be again 50 with the unit price of say 50 this time. Yeah, once the products are added, time to confirm this RFQ to the purchase order, so click on confirm order and here you can see the receipt has been generated. So you can validate the incoming transfer from here in the receipt section or else you can just move to your inventory module and here you can find the transfer has been created. So just open that and here you can see the destination location is HB/stock. So we are just going to validate this receipt and the products are moved into our inventory. So let's just see that whenever these products are received at the location HB/stock, so they are moved to our desired or added location or not. So for that, we'll just move to our products, and here we have the product cold drink. We just see the on hand. So here you can see the 50 quantity is moved to the location HB/stock/drinks. Similarly, we will just check for our next product, which is frozen peas. So here you can find the on-hand quantity, and here you can see the product has been automatically moved to our cold storage location. See, the Odoo automatically directed the product to the right sub-location based on the put away rule mentioned. Now let's see some key benefits for the put away rules. So it is helpful for automate product placement, saves time and improves the warehouse efficiency. That's how put away rules work in Odoo. It's a great tool for automating product storage and maintaining warehouse accuracy. That's all for this video. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos.